In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove Google account from Brave browser. First, you need to open Brave browser. Look for the Brave icon on your desktop or in your applications. It typically has a lion logo that stands out. Once the browser is open, you'll see a clean interface with a search bar at the top. This step is crucial because you need to access your Google account settings through this browser. Brave is known for its privacy features, and using it to manage your Google accounts is a step towards better control of your online presence. Next, go to the Google Accounts page by typing in the web address. The link is accounts.google.com. Press the Enter key and the page will load, showing you the sign-in options for your Google accounts. This page is where you can manage multiple accounts, sign in or out, and make changes. It's important to navigate here because the settings for managing your account are centralized. Now, look at the top right corner of the page. You'll see your profile picture if you are signed in. Click on it. This action reveals a drop-down menu with various options related to your Google accounts. It is essential to click your profile picture because it gives you access to the account management features. A clear understanding of this interface will help you navigate through your account settings smoothly. After clicking your profile picture, select the option that says Sign out of all accounts. Clicking this will log you out from all the Google accounts currently signed in on the Brave browser. This step is particularly important because it ensures that any changes you make next will be applied without confusion from other accounts. Once you perform this action, you will notice that the page refreshes and you will be taken back to the sign-in page. On the sign-in page, look for the option that says Remove an account. Click on that link. This will take you to a list of all the Google accounts that were previously signed in. This step allows you to see the accounts linked to your Brave browser, giving you a clear picture of what you can manage. Being able to remove accounts that you no longer use is important for maintaining your online security and ensuring that your browser space is tidy. Next, find the Google account you want to remove. There will be an NIFO symbol next to each account. Click the NIFO next to the account you want to remove. This action will prompt a confirmation dialog box. It's vital to ensure you are selecting the right account, as removing it will affect your access in the future. You will see the confirmation appear shortly after this action. After clicking the EMO, confirm the removal by following any prompts that appear. You might see a message asking if you are sure you want to remove the account. Confirming this is crucial because it finalizes the removal process. Once you confirm, the account will be removed from Brave browser. You can feel reassured that this action is reversible. You can always sign in again if needed. Finally, click Done to exit the account management section. This step will take you back to the main sign-in page, completing the removal process. Remember, removing a Google account from Brave only removes the saved sign-in from the browser. It does not delete your Google account itself. This distinction is important because it ensures your account remains intact and accessible from other devices or browsers. By following these steps, you have successfully removed a Google account from Brave browser. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful.